Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make that tasty Nigerian party jollof rice with some fried turkey wings. Now, with this particular turkey wings, I'm not going to be using any oil to fry it. I'm going to air fry the turkey. So I'm just going to go straight ahead and season the turkey. As you can see, I'm using some parsley, some onions, ginger, chopped garlic, some salt, all pepper seasoning, as well as chicken bouillon. I'm just going to add some water to the mix, give it a good stir, cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes. Okay, so whilst the turkey was cooking, I went ahead to blend the peppers that I needed to cook the jollof rice with. So in the blender, I added 2 cans of plum tomatoes, some bell peppers, some onions, 2 scotch bonnet and 1 clove of garlic. I blended the peppers to a fine pulp and set that aside for later on in the cooking. So I'm going to be using the stock or broth from the cooked turkey in my jollof rice. This stock is packed with loads of flavors. I'm adding a bit of water to it. I'm going to stir that, sift it, and set that aside for later on in the cooking. So guys, to cook the jollof rice, the first thing I did was to saute the chopped onions, and then I added some bay leaves. The bay leaves just helps to give jollof rice its distinctive flavor and then gives it that nice fragrance. Okay, so I then added 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, fried that for about 3 minutes, but stirring continuously until I got a rich brick red color. I then added the blended peppers to the mix and cooked it for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. So guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and remember to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.